Morning, ma'am.
Beta, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, not fine.
Ha, beta, I read your message. See, these kind of things you should post on the class group so that other teachers also come to know that you people are not attending because of specific reasons, right? Share it with me,
Okay, ma'am, I will do
my
it
personal
next
number,
time.
and forward it on the class group as well. So that I know it personally, yes, you are not well, because maybe in whatever messages are posted, no, so in between maybe your message gets lost. So just to avoid that, personally you do me, and then on the class group also you do, so that everyone knows that this is the reason you are not attending the class, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Huh.
ma'am.
And beta, please, it is extreme cold conditions are there. Please take care of yourselves, okay? How are you
Yes,
feeling?
ma'am.
Om, how are you feeling, beta?
Yes, ma'am, not at all good, ma'am. Still same condition, but a little bit difference.
Better. Okay, chalo, koi nahi. Keep drinking warm water. Don't go out. है ना? Whatever you eat, keep it warm only. Don't eat any cold thing that may worsen your conditions. Okay. See, I thought because see, question answers were becoming quite monotonous. Though I know it is important, we need to do that. But let us do map work today. Will that be fine?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes,
So I thought of doing it. I hope you all have the India political map with you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. That's really very good. So one more minute and then we start with the map exercise. I'll share the screen with you, or shall I dictate and you will write on your own?
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Okay.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
Fine. I'll do that. Sharing the screen. Okay. Fine. I am sharing the whiteboard and I am writing what exactly you need to mark in the map, right? I hope you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, perfect. Who is this? Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I'm not having the map right now. So, ma'am, I will write down in notebook.
Okay, you will write down in notebook, but then when will you show the map?
Ma'am, tomorrow. Ma'am, I will send it in the evening.
Are you sure you will send it in the evening?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, then it is okay. Okay. On the outline map of India, show the following, right? Now, I'm giving you from both this thing. From geography and history, or only history? Shall we confine to history, or geography also shall I give you? Plus,
Ma'am, only history.
only history you want?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Let me get the question. Okay. Fine. So the first question says, place where okay, place where the INC session, place where the INC session was held in September 1920. Right? Place where the INC session was held in September 1920. Can you tell where exactly it was there? In which place, class?
Ma'am, I think Calcutta.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Okay,
Calcutta session.
okay. If you have the maps. Achha, let us do one thing. I'll share the screen of the map, black map on with you. So you tell me, I'll allow you to write also. So you mark it on the map screen over here only. Will that be fine?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? That
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
हो जाएगा. Fine. So place where the INC session was held in September 1920. Let me share the map. Just a second. Huh?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा देवांश.
मैम ध्रुव कह रहा है आप उसे मैम अंदर मीटिंग के अंदर ले लीजिए मैम.
अच्छा बेटा एक मिनट. जब हम स्क्रीन शेयर करते तो दिखता नहीं है ना कौन है कौन नहीं है. Okay, fine. Taken. 3 were there. I have taken. वो शेयर ही नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. How are
Good
you?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. बेटा मैथ तो शेयर नहीं हो पा रहा है. चलिए हम क्वेश्चंस ही पहले लिख दे रहे हैं, फिर आप लोग जो है इनके आंसर्स लिख दिए. एक काम करिए, आप लोग ये क्वेश्चंस लिखिए, इनके आंसर्स ग्रुप में मुझे भेजो और फिर मैप में मार्क करेंगे. राइट?
मैम मैं फेयर कॉपी में करते हैं.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
हाँ, फिर कब में कर लो एज रिवीजन. गुड मॉर्निंग ग्रुप, एज रिवीजन कर लो,
ओके मैम.
है ना? Okay, second is place where the INC session was held in 1927. Then third, place where the INC session of INC. Place was held in December 1920. This is done. These three questions written, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Answers also written. Place associated with the calling of the non-cooperation movement. Place associated with calling of the non-cooperation movement. Let me check if anyone is in the waiting room. Fine. Next. Place associated with the civil disobedience movement. Okay, these 5 I have done. Write these questions, send the answers, and then I'll see that how I can share the map with you all. Okay, right, class?
Yes ma'am.
हाँ.
Excuse me मैम.
जी देवांश बोलिए बेटा.
मैम इसके आंसर्स हम लोग डायरेक्ट ग्रुप पे टाइप करके भेज दे या मैम कॉपी में लिख के भेजे? मैं क्योंकि हम कर चुके हैं पहले भी, आपने एक बार करवाया था ऑनलाइन क्लास में मैम इसका।
तो
मैम
हमने रिवीजन करवाया, तो हाँ ठीक है, डायरेक्ट टाइप करके भेज दो, क्वेश्चन के साथ लिख के भेज दो चाहो तो, है ना?
ओके।
हम्म। बेटा सानिया,
Yes, ma'am.
if you could please write it in the notebook and send, because sir says that typing should not be there, you people should have the writing practice, right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Otherwise, how are your studies going on, class?
Ma'am, good.
Hmm?
I'm fine.
Fine, no writing in practice or not?
Yes.
Good.
हेलो हाँ जी हाँ हाँ लवली बोलो हाँ लवली बोलो नोट पे
Good. Keep sending. Very good. Oh, numbering also you have not put beta. Put beta.
मैम
हाँ जी बेटा, देख रहे हैं हम सबका, बताओ। बोलो बेटा। हाँ देवांश, you were saying something बेटा।
नो मैम आई एम नॉट टेलिंग
Ma'am, I was saying,
अच्छा हाँ फैज, बोलो बेटा।
ma'am, are my answers correct?
I am just going through the answers only which you people have sent बेटा।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all have sent beta। Vivan, I said no, in the notebook you have to send, don't send it in typing mode। Vivan, Vivan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Send it in the notebook, write it with your hands, not type।
Okay.
हाँ। हाँ जी. Okay. Can we have Devansh answer to the first question? Place where the INC session was held in September 1920. You have written.
मैम कलकत्ता.
Kolkata, and at that time it was known as Calcutta. It is correct. Very good. Second question is place where the INC session was held in 1927.
मद्रास.
Wait. Shreya has written Madras. Very good. Tamil Nadu. In the present day, Chennai it is. Okay. Then the place where INC session was held in December 1920. What has
Nagpur.
Nagpur.
It is Nagpur. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो.
मैम यस मैम, जब हम मैप पे वार करेंगे तो मैम हम लोग कलकत्ता ही तो मार्क करेंगे, कोलकाता थोड़ा ना करेंगे मैम, वो तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा मैम. अगर
नहीं, देखो मैप में जो जो प्रेजेंट डे कोलकाता है वही कलकत्ता था पहले, है ना. तो मैप में आपको लोकेशन मार्क करनी है. आप जो लिखोगे वो लिखा हुआ उन्होंने ऑलरेडी दे के रखा होगा आपको, है ना.
ओके.
हाँ. Okay, then the next question is place associated with the calling of the non-cooperation movement.
Gorakhpur.
हाँ, it
Ma'am,
is
Chauri.
Chauri Chaura, not Gorakhpur. It is Chauri Chaura. Yes, it is Chauri Chaura. हाँ जी, ठीक है. Chauri Chaura clear? बेटा गोरखपुर is the place जो कि associated है, but exact place यहाँ पे पूछा है तो मतलब आपको चौरी चौरा बताना है. You will not write गोरखपुर. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next is place associated with the civil disobedience movement.
मैम
Gujarat.
दांडी गुजरात.
Gujarat.
It was Dandi in Gujarat, right? Okay, beta. For 2-3 days, let us do this map work on the geography and history both. Fine. So today, questions we have done. One more day we will do questions on the, and then tomorrow, if you are able to arrange maps, then we will start with the marking of the map work as well. Will that be okay, class?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
At least you will have a practice of marking it on the map, right? So please, if you are purchasing them, buy at least 10 of them so that you can practice them in the class itself, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है. Okay. Now, coming to, let us do some of the 2 marks questions. Shall we? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall I write the question here only or shall I ask you verbally? बताओ.
Ma'am, you ask.
हाँ?
Ma'am, you right, ma'am.
Yes,
लिखे?
ma'am, you're right.
ठीक है. तो
Yes,
हम,
ma'am, you're right.
okay, हम लिखने के साथ साथ I'll dictate as well so that you can easily get the answers, right? Okay, question is, what is Satyagrah? What is Satyagraha? Who will tell this answer? Class? What is Satyagraha? Who will tell? Am I not audible to you people? शोएब आपका आंसर नहीं आया बेटा. शोएब.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the idea of non-violent resistance started by Gandhi ji.
When the power of Satyagraha emphasized on the power of truth.
Okay. But
Ma'am,
Satyagraha?
Satyagraha is a
Yes, Sanya, say it.
Satyagraha is a non-violent method of protesting against the oppressor.
Very good. Satyagraha is a non-violent
And ma'am,
way.
Gandhi Gandhi think non-violent Satyagraha can win any
Satyagraha,
war with the help of Satyagraha.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Vivan wants to answer. Vivan, you want to answer this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell beta.
Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and need to search for truth. If the cause was true, then the oppressor would able to
बताओ बेटा भाई बीच में काहे रुक गए? Yes, Devansh, you are not audible बेटा. क्या कहना चाह रहे हो? प्लीज बोलो बच्चा. Okay, quickly your attendance. Anya Gupta. Is Anya there in the class? Is Anya there in the class? No. Abhinav
No,
Pandey?
ma'am.
Abhinav Pandey? No.
No, ma'am, he's not.
Agrim?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Aksada? Akansha? Akansha is not there. Aksada, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anamata? Anamata, are you there?
Present,
No. Okay. Anand?
Present, ma'am.
Ayush? Not there. Bhumika?
Ma'am, Anand present.
Anand.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Bhumika?
Yes, ma'am.
Chirag? Not there. Deepshikha? Not there. Devansh? Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv
Present,
Sharma?
ma'am.
Dhruv Sharma? Harshit not there. Kapil not there. Kavya not there.
Ma'am, Dhruv present.
Dhruv is present. I have marked beta. Kunal? Mehak?
Present, ma'am.
Faiz?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Haseen? Not there. Shoaib?
Present, ma'am.
काम भेजो. Nikhil Nehra?
Present, ma'am.
Om Sharma? Shoaib, send your work beta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Priyanshu?
ma'am.
Ramsha? Sanya?
Present, ma'am.
Shelly? Shreya?
Ma'am,
Swali?
I'm present.
Shelly, you have sent your work? I didn't get it.
No,
Wait a
ma'am, I'm sending.
this is what, no? Very good, Dhananjay. You have sent on the map as well. Very good. Let me just check. बेटा धनंजय, हम आपको एक बात बता दें, एग्जाम में आपको ये प्लेसेस मार्क करी हुई नहीं मिलेंगी कैलकाटा वगैरह की, तो आप इनको बाय हार्ट कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है बेटा?
ओके मैम।
हाँ। चलिए, देन स्वाली इज नॉट देयर, विशेष अग्रवाल, विवान,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
okay, Vishesh is there, Vivan is there. Okay, present. Yadbendra is also present.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ayush is not attending any of the classes. Is he coming to other classes? Huh? Okay, Anamata, I heard you. Fine. Beta, anything in this history chapter that is not clear or understood, do let me know, okay? Now, can you name any two places where Gandhiji launched the Satyagraha movement? Any two places? Yes, Sanya? Tell beta.
Ma'am, Champaran and
Ma'am,
Champaran,
Ma'am,
Bihar,
Kheda and Champaran.
and Khera in of Gujarat.
Very good. Champaran and
Kheda,
Khera.
Gujarat.
Ah, very good, very good. Who wrote the book Hind Swaraj?
Mahatma
Gandhiji
Gandhi.
in 1907.
Very good. Gandhiji
Gandhi.
in 1907. Very good. Now tell me, why did Gandhiji decided to launch a nationwide satyagraha against the proposed roller tax?
Ma'am, because all the he felt that all the groups will
some areas.
support. Some areas were left.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Shelly, please. Yes, Shelly. बताओ बेटा. विवान आप बता रहे थे, बताइए.
Ma'am, Gandhiji successfully tried satyagraha in some areas, so he decided to launch satyagraha in nationwide.
Ma'am, can I say now?
Yes, Shelly. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, Gandhiji had proposed a nationwide satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act. The Rowlatt Act stated that they could arrest any nationalist leader without any trial lawfully.
Without any trial, and which was considered as one of the black laws of the British era. This Rowlatt Act that was there, it had certain conditions which were not acceptable by the Indians. That is why Gandhiji decided to go for a nationwide satyagraha, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Then, who launched the Khilafat movement?
Ma'am, Mahatma Gandhi and Khilafat brothers.
Ali brother.
Muhammad Ali and Shaukat
ma'am.
Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
Ali,
Ali
the
brother.
Ali brothers launched the Khilafat movement, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Okay? हाँ, चलिए, meeting is going to end any moment. Please take care of yourselves. Try to attend classes, because as it is, I don't think we'll be going offline now, because looking at the condition, right? So please do practice. Sit at home. Don't go out unnecessarily.
Ma'am, what about exams?
Exams will be there, beta. Don't worry for the exams. Or if
Anyway.
exams, if exams won't